Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how to change back colors in a simple way on my style with iPhone. So the applications that you need is only Instagram. So here is the tips. First things that you have to do is just go open your photos and just pick the picture that you want to remove the background color. So let's say here I will let you remove this. So if you are the iPhone user, these things could be much more easier. Make sure that you already upgrade your iOS system into the newest one. After you update it, you will get the the automatic cut out features for your iPhone. That's make your work much more easier. Yeah, you just need to prepare the picture that you want to change the back color. Then now you just need to tap into the objects area and hold it. Tap and hold, and they'll be give yeah, that's the glaze color coming up. Then you just need to tap into the copy. Now you just need to go back into your home screen, open your Instagram, and just swipe your Instagram camera, access the Instagram story. The next thing you need to do is just go take a picture of it, just a random picture. Now go click this trace model on the top, go click draw. Now just need to pick the color that you want to use. Let's say I would like to use the green one here. Now you just need to go tap and hold into the area. It can be random, so you just need to go click anywhere, click and hold, then it will be colored everything on the screen. Now you just need to go click done, tap into the A, and then you just need to go tap and hold until there will be pop up some options there, and then you just need to tap into the paste, and you already got this object. Now you just need to size it up and then adjusting the positions, and now you are done. Just go click back into the trace models and save it. Now the background color is already changes. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully it helped you so well, and let's meet again into other tutorial.